Congratulations for yesterday, for the award that you won. But could you have looked maybe at winning the bigger one, the player of the season? Were you disappointed that you didn't get that one?
No, no. First of all, I think the team helped me, winning my field of the season, and the other awards, the people really, the ones who won did fantastically, so they deserve it also.
Phela bafethu singenzani ilima noma ngingachaza nifike iphi singenzani nje ilima kodwa niyazi ukuthi uApolice akayideserve le award le ukwazi kahle lokho ngiyakwazi nawe uyakwazi midfielder kanti ini midfielder bakwethu ukwa defend ufike la uthanda khona uApolice akayona imidfielder uyiwinger uyakwazi lokho ukwazi kahle imidfielder consists of 3 categories: defensive midfielder, central midfielder, attacking midfielder. uApolice uyiphi imidfielder la because lo muntu uyiwinger uphiwe le award uyakwazi lokho ngiyakwazi nami so siphi isidingo sokuthi defender chaza into undendende chaza into engekho uphiwe le award akuyona yakhe midfielder yena lo bethu bebemncisha nje yilo nto player of the season it deserve a player of the season hayi midfielder of the season hey Pirates ave ngicathi impuphu sonke nina
alright ekubeni impuphu asinayisho ekubeni impuphu asinayisho kodwa kona akhona ama sign maningi futhi okay fine asize la mlamuli lega aPolice ne-midfielder of the season angihlangene nawo because ngiyenza ivideo la engakaphumisha ama nominees kongaphumi lutho ngenza ivideo ngabuza kunina abantu bakaNkuluNkulu ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanjani ngoba aPolice ngathi mina there are ama strikers, there is ama strikers, kube khona i-midfield, kube khona i-defense, kube khona i-goalkeeper yabo ukuthi sibone uMdawu enominate kwi-defender of the season. Sibona uMdawu enominate kwi-defender of the season udlala kwi-wing back, uyi-wing back, yabona uyi-wing back. uApolice Moses uthatha ukumbheka uyefana noMdawu in terms of midfield ne defense because naye uyiwinger kodwa kwi-midfield, uyiwinger kwi-midfield. Ukuthi nina according to you guys we should never ever see i-defender of the season ibe umuntu odlala i-left back noma i-right back, because according to you guys i-defender umuntu odlala u4 no5 ama center backs. According to you guys there is striking department, there is it midfield department, there is it defense department, there is a goalkeeper. Shoot ama winger ngokweni eMzansi adlala ngaphandle kwestadium fine ke siyavuma asimphuce uApolice midfielder of the season uMbatha utalent eMbatha awutalent akekho omunye emfanele imidfielder of the season utalent Mbatha owe-Orlando Pirates. Still benisazophinda futhi nizokhala nenze bona futhi umpuphu iPirates iPirates idominate isizini yonke kona konke ama-department. Ubulindele nike wona ama-award qhamthusha uvimbi ukambala yabo wena ubulindele ba kuma-midfield of the season uKatsande no ngeke kwenzeke lokho. iPirates idominate ileague yawina ama-trophies naze nakhi iqembu elilodwa nonke yashaya iPirates kunama award bisazodominate. Ubenilindele ini?
No one can convince me otherwise ngendaba kaApolice ye-midfielder of the season. uApolice akayo midfielder. Kwi-midfielder we have DM, defensive midfielder, sine CA, central midfielder, sine CAM, central attacking midfielder. uApolice ufola under which category apho ye-midfield? uApolice wing ufola under ama-forward. Modern football i-wing ifola under ama-forward, not under ama-midfield. Ningamthathela the way nimthethela ngakhona. No one can convince me otherwise. uApolice we all know ukuthi he is not a midfield. And iPSL maye kuconfuse abantu ngokuthatha ama-wing bawafake ku-category ama-midfield. And in modern football i-wing falls under i-category ama-forward. Lonto leyo it is clear ukuthi each and every wing ezoba khona ku-category ama-midfielders izowina ngabo because bona banama chances amaninzi okuyiwina lo category leyo midfield of the season because baya attacker, baya creator, baya assister, benza yonke into. Meaning if ever you are a natural midfield number 6 ne number 8 umsebenzi wakho kukudestroyer nokupasela bona laba abashayinayo. So meaning angeke uyiwine lo award leyo because indawo yakhe izawuthathwa ngalama wing abizwa ngoba ngama midfield. Ningamthethelela ngendlela enizomthethelela ngayo but inyani niyayazi ukuthi uApolice akayo midfield. uApolice akayo attacking midfielder, forward, wing and forward. Iphelela apho.
Yey. Manje nilokunisebangela umsindo nge-award ka-Apolis ayiwinile lapha as a best midfielder. Ingonabo Dulu noKhamabhiliyathi bake bayinomination nabo. Idlala same position as u-Apolis. Nabo Dulu nolokuqala bake bayinominate nabo. Yini mase wina uPolice bese nesibaya umsebenzi or bena ufuna wina onyoho. Ninyileke. Ninyile ngeke beyiwina onyoho ke lebafana. Eka-Apolis.
Angiyikhulume midfield of the season ngoba barobha umrembula la siyazi futhi last season kwafaka bebayineza uRibeiro ngabe ama-winger are part of midfield kodwa bayineza uMakhawula itshela season eyodwa la khona ama-winger khona i-winger yanominator under i-midfield of the season and yayiwina musana ukudlala ngathi
weba mfowethu asephumile kama-award nansi ke bengiyibheke kakhulu ngamehlabomvu because bengazi ukuthi ngahlisa umsindo uyabo iyahlupha abafowethu lento yokwazi ukuthi hayi usibanibani ngoba usibanibani lento yegama abafowethu umuntu ngisho ebheda ngisho uba umuntu engenzanga kahle kodwa because of unegama nginenzele nje example bafowethu mangathiwa Best Maskandi kubeka umthandeni kubeka uLimit bese kubekwa uMenzi ngoba umthandeni unegama ukuthi hayi umthandeni mawuthi uyabheka ialbum akayikhiphile umthandeni iyenze kanjani uma uyabheka ialbum agcina ukuyikhipha umthandeni ingoma ayinama-million ingoma eyinama-million zincane uthi uyobheka ko Limit no Men's in 2 weeks ingoma eziningi sezinama-million but kodwa ngoba niphethe igama ukuthi hayi umthandeni bese nithi umthandeni okay bafowethu angikho ke lapho ngila ku-Apolis bafowethu u-Apolis udlale kahle kakhulu bafowethu ube nesizini enhle kakhulu kusuka iqala from game 1 to last game ngicabanga ukuthi yona into eyenza ukuthi uRele esale because uRele uke akangadlala uRele uke wathi futhi ukuphazamiseka ubuye late wabuye kodwa futhi uwenza kahle kakhulu bafowethu so ngicabanga ukuthi yikho eyitholile le midfield of the season lo because wenzeka ama-assist akhona konke kukhona bafowethu konke kukhona ama-goals akhona uyabo ngapha bafowethu kuTebo siyamazi umkwena uyinkunzi umkwena bafowethu asiphiki uyalidlala ibhola uyabo kodwa kule season akakwenzanga bekumele kwenza umsebenzi wakho uprotector lapha emuva uprotectile yini no akaprotector nkoreliwe bafowethu uyabo koreliwe wabuye lapho yena akakwenzile futhi wazokora amagoli think awu 3 or 4 uyabo kwi-PSL cause la sikhuluma nge-PSL uyabo asikhulumi ngama domestic trophies asikhulumi ngawo la sikhuluma nge-PSL la ungazi mhlawumbe udidisi uzugcina usufaka i-Champions League ayingeni la uyabo awe Nedbank abiziwe awe MTN8 abiziwe awanwana abiziwe ne-Champions League nayo izobizwa lawa ke lawa awe PSL Betway Premiership khulunywa ngayo kuphela kubheka imisebenzi eyenziwe khona hayi kumakhapha aseceleni bafowethu ningaze neyiphazamisa nithi hayibo uthathe i-Champions League une-status esibili no
yabona abafana bakithi Orlando Pirates izama ngayo yonke bafowethu indlela ukuthi ifane neMamelodi Sundowns thina bafowethu lento lena asiqali seke sayenza siyiMamelodi Sundowns so bebebapha nabo abafana babo ekuthenini abagqibe lo mgodi ohambiwe iMamelodi Sundowns bafowethu ningakhali masadawana bamphile and ngeke kujike bafana bakithi and into engiyaziyo deep down kwayena uApolis uyazi ukuthi le bengayideserve yabo ngoba akayidlali bafowethu niyogcwala ema-police station mina ngiyindawo we know PSL
Angiphiki inkabi yami angiphiki and you guys think mhlambe siyadefenda siyaphikana nani no angiphiki engikushoyo mina ukuthi why nibona namhlanje yonke lengcuba kaxaka why nibona uthi ucoach Ncikazi immese iba sharp kakhulu mayibhenga Orlando Pirates lezi zinto lezi asiqala ukuyibona ke zenzeka before why sibabaze kangaka amazenzela iPirates nangu Obringoma nakhe awathi midfielder of the season wayeyiwinga Cape Town City nakhe nani lapho uKhamabhiliyathi ewina i-midfielder of the season eyiwinga kuSundowns eqhathwe nabo Hlompo nobo Kick and Dolly nani laphi ngeensuku ze-CBD nani laphi nani ngekho niyasukelwa niyayiqhabuka lento niyayishwama nibona inyoka ebhishi nani laphi ngoba phela uBilliard naye wayiwinga why ningazange niyikhulume yonke lo niyaqabuka ukubona umdlali eyiwinga win midfield of the season no nina nani ngafuna uTita iwine le nani lwa nithi uTitus nje uyayideserve nani ngalali nibambo live kusuku nemini nithi uTitus uyayideserve nina nani ngalali ebusuku nesichazela ukuthi uTitus uyideserve kangakanani midfield of the season uTitus iwinga usanele Banzi iwinga nathula nathini benominate uzothwena bayiwinanga yebo abayiwinanga babe nominated as what ngiyavuma nami uyapolisa yayona nithi akayona yesifana kayona ngiyavuma nginani kodwa niqabuka namhlanje lokho okwenzekayo why nishaya ngazuthi imhlola leneshwama nibona inhlwathi ebish izomginga bo motherfucker
angithi bekuphiswana lapha iyona nto ngisho midfield of the season lento uyigcinela kwi-PSL kuphela kuthiwa iwinga angeke uzubona kuthiwa kola liga kuthiwa midfield of the season kuthatha uVinnie Junior because lo muntu udlala lele kuze bedlala uVinnie Junior uzobona lapha kuthiwa oDoku nje bangama midfield of the season oKivicha kuthiwa midfield of the season ngalinye ilanga sobona kuthiwa uShane midfield of the season iyona nto esishawa ngayo yithe mina kuthiwa ngithi mina bekuyifamily meeting liyana ngibona nje ukuthi ama PSL awards vele nje indaba yawo into engasekho siyazi ukuthi anikwa abantu makwenze njani hawu ikhonto nje
Ngiyawenza ama-argument la athi u-Austin Apolis akayideserve i-midfielder of the season because uyiwinga. Okay, sharp. I hear that. But ngicela ukuveza enye angle la kule argument le. And then sizodiscussa ukuthi valid or not valid. If ubuyibuka i-Pirates last season, ngikhuluma ngomuntu bekabuka ama-games mina, not umuntu bekabuka ama-highlights. If you were watching i-Pirates last season, 80% of the matches they played with Betway Premiership, i-Pirates ibidlala ngo-double 10. So on paper, Austin Apolis would be placed on the wing, but Austin Apolis was never the type of player who would hug the line. Ashayi moto ngale emasidini, putting those crosses and create more chances. 9 out of 10 times whenever he played, even though he was placed on the wing, he would always invert inside and form a double 10 with whoever was playing that side. Lapha 10, right? That's why in most cases you would find him operating in those pockets with Urele, in those tight spaces, in those pockets, operating as a 10, as Urele in creating chances. To prove what I'm saying is that I heard a stat yesterday that says Austin Apolis who created opportunities are 50 plus for with Betway Premiership for a Pirate, and 90% of those chances were not created from the wing. 90% of those chances were creating from him inverting inside, playing as a double 10 with whoever was playing 10 at that time, whether it was Urele or Utito. Even Urele himself, when he would be started as a winger on the left, never. He would always invert inside and form a partnership ya 10 with whoever was playing U10. Sizomjudge ngokuthi uplacewe kuphi eskemini, which is the wing. If that's the case, then sharp. He's a forward, not a midfielder. But if sizomjudge ngokuthi ubedlala kanjani kulawo ma games lawo, even though he was placed as a winger on paper, but ubedlala kanjani in those games, then this guy was a midfielder. He was a 10. He was playing double 10, this guy. And ngalelo mina ngithi deserve midfielder of the season. Eyakhe akayithatha. Uyithathile futhi vela yikho into esingayenza. Azize ke inhlamba kuma comment section nginilindile. Akusatshwana phela.